Update, and make it not be like say I know they share updates reaching aside, because people on my Telegram channel are chopping these updates back to back. So I don't know the reason why you don't want to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, in the comment section of this video. Why don't you want to join? Okay, let me not waste too much of your time. Let me show you on the screen right here. This is the coin we want to talk about. It is the OGC coin, and the airdrop is about to end. Can you see the pre-market price? 0.17. That is the pre-market price, and the airdrop is about to end. Let me show you something. You see I have limited time to join. So can you see it says the snapshot will be taken on November 1st, and today is November 11. You have 10 days before the snapshot. 10 days before the snapshot. Can you cope with 10 days? Because if you have joined my Telegram channel, you would have seen these updates since. But the 10 days, let's see if you can do something between the 10 days. You need to watch this video very well so you can catch up with how I want to do it. It's very simple. It's on Telegram. You just need to understand it. Watch this video, because if you don't watch it, you will not understand, and you'll be asking questions that I've answered in this video. So watch it from A to Z. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to the website to register first. After registering on the website, you will now go to the Telegram bot to log in. You understand me? Okay, let's start. The first thing we are going to do is go to the website. Now, the first link in the description, I'm going to input the website right there. So now let's do that. Firstly, so in the description and the comment section of this video, you are going to see register here, register website. That is the first link you need to do. So now I'm going to open the website now so you can see what we are talking about. So that is the website. Once you go on the website on your browser, the first thing you are going to do is it is going to ask for your email. Now use your email address to register. So right now I'm going to input my email address to register on this website. So I'm going to input my email address right now. So I've input my email. So the next thing I'm going to do is click on next and just wait a couple of seconds for it to go. It said confirmation has been sent to your email. So now go to your email that you use. There is a code they are going to send there. So right now I'm going to go into my email box right now. So now this is my email, and you can see the code they sent to my email. So I'm going to copy the code right now. So once I copy the code, I'm going to go back right here and paste the code in here. So once you paste the code, all you need to do is just click on continue. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load, and now you have automatically done it. So right now you have been rewarded with 50 OG coin. Like, can you see OG point? 50 OG points. So after the airdrop, you are going to see your airdrop here, which says 0.0. So after the conversion, you are going to see what you are going to receive right here. But now we are still farming the points. And how many points can you farm in the next 10 days before the snapshot? So right now we are done with the website, and the second link you are going to see the Telegram bot OG. So once you click on that Telegram bot OG, it's going to take you to the Telegram bot right now. So right now we are on the Telegram bot, and the next thing you are going to do, just click on the start right here, and if it does not show you to open the app, just click on the profile OG community bot. So once you click on the bot, you are going to see open app. Can you see you are going to see open app? So just click on open app. So once you click on open app, you are going to log in. It's going to ask for your email right now. So the next thing you are going to do is the email you used to register and verify, you are going to enter it right here. So I'm going to enter the email right here now. So now another verification code has been sent to your Gmail box. Another verification code has been sent to your Gmail box. So right now, you need to go to your Gmail box and copy the verification code again. So a new verification code has been sent. So I'm going to copy the verification code. So right here, I'm going to go back and enter the code right in the Telegram bot now, and I'm going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, now you have the Telegram bot on your phone. So the next thing you are going to do next time is once you come to the Telegram, the OG community right here, just click on the profile, which is the right here, just tap on the OG community box, but right here. So once you tap on it, you are going to see open app. So once you open the app, just wait for a couple of seconds and you automatically enter the OG bots. So every time, all you need to do is grab. All you need to do is, can you see 250 points? So grab the 250 points, and it's going to solve the captcha. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Verify you are a human and successful. And after the successful, is going to automatically add the points for you. So it has been added automatically. So right now, you are going to see my point has now turned to 300 OG points right here. So after the airdrop, you are going to see how many OG coin you are going to receive right here. And let me tell you something. The reason why we firstly register on the website and not go directly on the bot is because there is no way to use the referral link on the bot. So the referral link is on the website. So you register with the referral link on the website. Then you now went to log in on the Telegram bot. So it's something you can basically just register on the Telegram bot directly. But because of the referral link, you use the website first. So even if you want to copy your referral link on the bot right now, if you come over to the referral right here and you copy the referral link, which is right here, can you see the referral link is basically it is not the Telegram bot link, it's a website link. So that is it. So if you come over to the first page right here, you are going to see claim soon. So you are going to see the number of OG coin you can claim when the airdrop happens. Basically, the snapshot is in 10 days. And how many points can you gather before 10 days? How many points can you gather? So right now, I register now, I've received 300 points. So how many points are you going to gather? And the conversion, you are going to see the conversion right here. And on the second tab right here, this is where you are going to see the number of people you have referred right here and how much you have earned from the referral, how many points you have earned from the referral. And on the top page right here, this is where you can grab every 14 hours. You can grab 250 points every 14 hours. And also, if you come over to the fourth one right here, these are tasks you can do that are going to give you points. So if you complete this task, if you do this task, you are going to receive 350 OG points, 250 OG points, 300 OG points, just like that. And you can even sort right here daily. You can see some other things you can do that are going to give you 500 OG points, 250 OG points. If you come over to the last one right here, just wait for it. This is where you can read news about this particular company. And also, let's go back to the first page right here. So this is where you are going to monitor every point you are earning every day. So if you come over to the middle right here, home, if you come over to the home right here, just wait a couple of seconds for it to load on the home. If you click on your profile name right here, which is R, here you can add your wallet. You can see add your wallet. Here you can link all your social accounts. So you are going to add your wallet. And what wallet are you going to add? We have the Ethereum EVM, we have the Ton, we have the Solana, we have the Nair, we have the Tron, we have the Polkadot, and we have the Cosmos. So on their eligibility criteria, let's go to the eligibility criteria on their Telegram channel and see what they said on there. So on the criteria, they said only the participants who meet the following condition will be able to access the OGC token claim. So number one is you must be active for at least 1 day between November 1st and November 20th. So you still have like 6 days right now. You have about 10 days, from the November 1st to November. You must be active at least 1 day. And number two is you must follow their Telegram, their Discord, and their Twitter. So all you need to do is just come over to the home right here and click on your profile, which is basically up here. And you are going to see link social account. So once you click on link social account, just follow them on here. So I follow them on Twitter. So if you follow them on Twitter, on Discord, and on Telegram, you have automatically completed this particular mandatory. And the next one is wallet. Make sure your EVM wallet address is added. EVM wallet address is added, and the snapshot to be taken on November 21st. So now we are going to go back to connect the wallet. And to connect your wallet, all you need to do is just come to the home right here, click on this R, which is basically right here, and you are going to see add your wallet. So now add your wallet, and now you are going to click on the Ethereum plus EVM. So now click on Ethereum plus EVM. You are going to send a code to your Gmail also, just verify you're a human, and click on get code. So once you click on get code, a code has been sent to your Gmail, and we are going to view it right now. So a code has been sent, which is the third time a code being sent. So I'm going to copy the code right here, and I'm going to go over to the Telegram bot and paste the code right back here, and I'm going to click on continue. So now it's going to ask for my Ethereum plus EVM address. And how do you get your Ethereum plus EVM address? All you need to do is just go to your exchange or your wallet and copy your Ethereum address. And basically it should be Web3 wallet. So I'm going to use a wallet. Let me just go to my wallet right now. I'm going to use probably I'm going to use a BitGet wallet. So I'm going to use my BitGet wallet right here. So going to my BitGet wallet, I'm going to search for my Ethereum wallet address. So once you go to the wallet right here, make sure you switch this to Ethereum. So switch it to Ethereum. So once you get to Ethereum, now click on receive. Once you click on receive, now look for Ethereum coin itself. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load. So now you are going to see Ethereum, which is the first one right here. So tap on the Ethereum. So once you tap on the Ethereum, you are going to see the wallet address right here. Can you see OX? And on the Telegram bot, it said OX. So that is just the for example. So now just tap on it, copy, and once you copy, paste it right there. And once you paste it right there, click on save address. So click on save address and it has been saved automatically. And also you can basically add your Ton address, also add your Solana address, add your NEAR, add your Tron address, or whatever wallet you want to add. So now we have completed all the tasks on this particular OG community. So let me see how many points you can gather in the next 10 days to qualify for this particular airdrop. This is an update, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel for more updates like this. So thank you, and I'll see you later in another video, and bye for now.